Hey there, Dylan DeFazio here, and I want to thank you for clicking on this video. This is a six-figure clan video, and I'm going to be sharing with you a review on the Legendary Marketer platform. I was going to do email marketing today, but a lot of people were asking me, what is the Legendary Marketer platform? So I just want to do a review on that. I'm going to show you, the training that's inside of here, how you're able to scale it to a full-time income very quickly, and how you're actually going to get your very own coach. Now that's very cool as well. So as you guys see here, let's jump over to my screen. We are in the back office of the Legendary Marketer. Now as a bonus, anybody that decides to get access to the Legendary Marketer through the link in the description below, I'll be giving you my exact campaign. So I'm going to be giving you landing pages, sales pages, email follow-up, and I'm also going to be giving you my Bing Ads campaign. All you need to do is be registered for the Legendary Marketer and join the Six Figure Clan Facebook group. There's links in the description below for both of those, and I will be giving the campaign to everybody inside of this group. So make sure you join that group and the Legendary Marketer as well. So let's jump right into it and show you exactly what it is. Now, before I go through the products and everything like that, I want to explain the business model and the mindset of David Sharp. David Sharp's been in the industry for over 9 years and has done hundreds of millions of dollars in commissions. Now, what the Legendary Marketer is and why it's a little bit different than your average network marketing or digital sales business. The difference between Legendary Marketer is they do licensing. So what this means is you're able to license a done-for-you product, a done-for-you system, and that's going to give you the ability to start up with a lower fee than you would if you were to go out there, create your own business, create your own products and stuff like that. That is the reason for the Legendary Marketer. They want you to be able to earn while you learn. So you can get started. I think their lowest level is $30, where you can get started with the Legendary Marketer. And what that $30 is going to do is it's going to give you access to your very own coach. So they're going to walk you through. They have a couple training steps to get you started. And then they have the Marketers Club. Now inside of the Marketers Club, what you're going to receive is you're going to receive 8 different courses. Now, since I've been with the Legendary Marketer, they have added several new courses, so I wouldn't be surprised if they continue to go down that path and add more courses in the near future. But what you're going to receive to get started is you're going to receive 2 Facebook ad training, you're going to receive a lead generation and tracking, and you're also going to receive inside of course number 4, there's actually a tracking Excel sheet where you can go through and you can see exactly how much money you're making each single week. So there's also YouTube advertising, Facebook fan page formula if you don't know how to use a Facebook fan page. There's Instagram, and then my favorite course of them all. This is this big money blueprint is the secret to me really making it big online. Going through that course, I was able to learn, everything that needs to be said, what process your prospect needs to go through before they're actually going to make a buying decision. And this has helped me significantly in my business. The first week after watching this training, I was able to turn $6,000 profit. So very, very good training inside of the lowest tier. Now, what you can do is you can upgrade to Builder. That is the more higher ticket product. It's a $2,500 purchase, but the cool thing is, maybe you don't have the funds to get started with the Builder right away. If you just sign up 3 people that purchase the Builder package, you're going to qualify to earn commissions on that level. Same thing goes for Leader and any other product on the Legendary Marketer. All you need to do is sell 3 of them, and you can start making commissions on those higher tier programs, which is another big reason why I chose the Legendary Marketer, because I know a lot of people don't have the funds, they don't have thousands of dollars to put up front into a business. They might only have a couple $100 or maybe even less. So the Legendary Marketer allows you to get started for $30. You can get a taste, you can get some training, and you can start getting some sales. Are you going to miss out on the first 3 sales? Yes. But if you didn't have the ability to purchase anyways, you weren't going to make the commission either way. Most companies don't even unlock the ability to earn. You have to, just continue to miss out on commissions until you buy it yourself. With Legendary, you can get three sales and you start earning commissions for the higher tier products, which I really, really like. And with my campaign, you're going to be able to start earning and signing people up on complete autopilot, which is really, really cool. So inside of the marketplace, you're going to have the traffic Rolodex, the invisible influencer, and then David Sharp also has a book which you can get access to. All you need to do is pay shipping. I do have my very own book on the way as well. So that's pretty much it for the product area of the Legendary Marketer. Now they do host events where you can purchase tickets for those events and go live to see Dave. He's going to hire 7-figure earners to go and present, and these marketing events are very, very powerful. I will be looking forward to going to my first marketing event of my entire career here with the Legendary Marketer. That is the goal. So make sure, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this quick little overview of the Legendary Marketer, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification, as I will be coming out with a video every single day as my schedule allows me. And it's going to teach you guys, some free methods, some reviews, some training like I did yesterday and things like that. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.